What we would like to demo today is a sample field equipment rental application that has been written using the DSI mobile enterprise platform. To give you a little bit of background, I am a field equipment technician who will be using the application. I'll use the application to track the multiple deliveries that I have to make each day. As well, I am able to use the application to record any rental usage and any equipment returns. The first screen that we see here is a list of all the sales orders that have been assigned to me. For my first customer today, I will be delivering a set of equipment for rental. I'll use the filter on the left-hand side to quickly drill down to the orders that are ready to be delivered. I can also use the search bar in order to narrow those sales orders even more. I'll go ahead and select my first order, and on the right you can see all the basic information about the sales order, including contact information and the original salesperson who took the order. Since this order is ready for delivery, I'll go ahead and tap the delivery button. Once we get to the site, we can actually pull up this delivery order and review each item with the site manager. We can go through each item together to confirm whether or not they have arrived and if they are the correct items. For example, this particular item was not received as part of the shipment. So we can go ahead and mark that this item was not received, and we can say that this item is missing. I can go ahead and enter a comment stating that we will need to reorder this item. As I continue down the list, I'll continue to check off each item. And if we find a particular item that is actually damaged, we can actually mark that as well. And if necessary, I can also tap on the picture icon to take a picture of the item as proof that the item was damaged upon arrival. Once all the items have been checked off and confirmed, we can actually hit the continue button and get a signature from the site manager. Once the confirm button has been hit, we will get a message saying that the delivery confirm has been successful. Now all this information has been recorded locally on my device, and I can go ahead and move on to the next order. In the next example, I'll show you what happens when I have to process a usage order. So when I arrive to my next customer, I'll go ahead and pull up that particular sales order. And now, since this order is in a usage state, I can actually record the usage below. Again, I am presented with a list of all the items on the sales order. I can go ahead and mark that this particular instrument was used for 25 days, and I can also set the time at which this meter was read, so I can set that back to the actual date that was recorded. For this particular item, I can also record by a particular meter. So if this item is recorded using volume, I can actually change that measurement right there. Once all the items have been recorded, I can go ahead and click the continue button and again obtain a signature for this usage recording. If I'm on the site and the particular customer does not need an equipment item anymore, they can actually return the item by tapping on the Return Items button. From this list, we can select the battery and we can say that this item is being returned. For other items, if they are damaged, we can actually mark those here as well. We can say that this particular item is damaged beyond repair and can no longer be rented out. Once I have selected all the items that needed to be returned, I can again obtain a signature from the site manager stating that these items will be taken back and returned to our shop. At the end of my shift, I can actually hit the sync button at the top right corner, and this will present a list of all the items that have been processed today. I can review all these items and then hit the confirm button. Once I hit the confirm button, all 17 transactions that have been waiting to sync will be synchronized with my JD Edwards platform. And that concludes our demo for today.